Papa, do you play comp normally, or like what do you do? I feel like you're always gambling. I don't know if are you like grinding comp or you just play?
I play on my alt account.
Oh, okay.
Dude, this kid in the gambling channel has like 1.7 million XP, and I have like 220k. This kid's crazy.
I just feel like you could easily hit Immortal 3 if you tried. I don't know if you're trying or not though. Maybe you are trying, and I'm like being really rude.
You have to be 16 to be signed to a pro team, so don't have to like.
Oh, it's not even worth it. You're saying? Like,
Yeah, not right now.
oh, okay. That's so disappointing, dude. That's some of the saddest shit I've heard. Where he's like so good, but like he's just like, yeah, it's not worth it to try because I'm not even old enough to be signed. Like that's so disappointing. The reason I asked is because Bappo was always like chilling. He's just like playing the custom games, and like he'll be like in the BAP or a gambling channel or just like chilling in my stream and stuff. I'm just like, I think it's a dumb rule, dude. I think that they should lower it. It seems like for the future of like Valorant, that would be so good. Because that's the cool thing about Fortnite. You can be 8 years old, you can win a Fortnite tournament. Like you just could. It just gives you reason to compete. Like
you have to be 13 to win money in Fortnite.
Oh, 13? Okay, well 13's still young, I mean. But like in Valorant, if they don't raise the age cap, like what is the incentive for people to learn Valorant at a young age? Well, like the future of Valorant, I don't think if somebody's playing games competitively, like they're playing competitive Fortnite at the age of 13, and then they come to Valorant. I don't think they come to Valorant just because they're like, oh, I'm 16 now, I can play Valorant. I think they just keep playing Fortnite. That would be my assumption. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong though.
Flash out.
Turn around.
Oh man, dude.
One enemy remaining.
I was popping off though.
Nice.
Dude, the frenzy's so busted. Like, I was literally running for like 2 of those kills.
Blinding.
I'm watching long. Okay, long.
Flash out. Clearing out.
I don't know what he's doing.
Looting vents.
One's out.
Kick out some killer.
Viper's in mid market in that corner. It's still on me.
Oh, they went vents.
Reyna hit for 140.
Last player
Close.
standing.
CT.
Oof.
Nice. Good try.
My movement is nutty, not as good as fights though. My goal is fights level performance with raise. No, it's okay to be a little cocky too, just for the record. I mean, other cocky people are gonna roast you, but like, I think everyone should be a little cocky, you know? You should be confident in like what you do. It's just like the same thing where like people, when people come into my YouTube videos, they try to put me down or they try to be a dick. They'll be like, oh, this guy, like this streamer, wow, why would anybody watch you? They're like a piece of shit. Like when Valorant first started out, what I talk about is like the videos that I used to make where I would just like talk about the game, and like people were like, wow, what an idiot. But they just try to put you down, and it's like you just have to have enough, you have to be cocky enough to believe in yourself, you know? Because otherwise you're gonna have it where people just put you down and then you just fucking quit, and it's like, okay, well,
No one B.
shit. I hate all those people that are like good at shit, but then they don't believe in themselves at all, so they just like they put themselves down all the time. I'm like, dude, you just gotta like have confidence in yourself.
Joke's over.
I'd rather somebody, personally for me, I'd rather be too cocky than not cocky enough, I guess. She's right in the middle, pushing towards rafters right now, sort of. That canceled too early. Yeah, I was about to say he canceled that way too early, so he's probably still sitting around because that wasn't 15 seconds.
Let them try to get through. Spike planted. Last player standing.
Jesus.
Viper's sitting back late.
There's one on ramps.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Flash out.
Nice.
Watch out for the more.
I forgot that the K hurts me. Literally would have walked in and died in one hit.
That would have been such a
Clutch.
I go through anyone.
Send it to Summit 1G. He watches it on stream. My stream blows up. I should have died to that
Last
molly.
round before the switch.
I'm flashing pillar.
Blinding.
No, my. I was full blind, Casey. Thank you, bro.
Weren't you behind billboard?
No.
Flash out.
One enemy remaining.
Oh my god, dude. Yeah, I thought you were behind. Yeah, it looked like you were behind billboard on my screen, so I flashed pillar. And
I was right here. I died right here.
Switching sides.
did you swing out or?
Yeah, because they're pushing me. My Beppo left for some reason. Beppo's throwing.
It was actually part of the ploy. I wanted to flash you so I could take kill leader.
Oh,
We're
okay.
going through mid.
Blinding.
We're gonna hit 48.
I hit one.
Flash out.
One enemy remaining.
You're a pee pee poo poo. No, you're a pee pee poo poo, Nava.
Oh, we still got.
You're the opposite of cool. Nava's gonna come here, call me a pee pee poo poo. You're a pee pee poo poo. Bitch.
Here. Going C.
Reloading.
Guys, I think we should go see.
You wanna take it C?
Yes, let's go see.
Let's go see.
Okay, I'm heading C. Guys,
Are you gonna plant?
we have C site. Come on, guys.
You got
See,
plan.
see control.
You plant for the ult orb. For the ult orb, okay? I'll give you the ult orb.
Enemy spotted. Eliminate.
I didn't look at it.
What's that place called? One
Here's shot
enemy
6. Let's
remaining.
go.
30 seconds left.
Blinding.
Nice.
Nice try.
Dapo, you wanna kill this Phoenix?
Sure.
He just pushes up this tube every round and then flashes out. So you just dash at him and then just kill him. I'm gonna blind it that direction. I'll try to hit him with it.
Reloading. Ready.
Stand to my left just a little bit so you don't get hit by this.
Stealing sight. He's dead. Cover going out. Three killed. Shadows traveling.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Stealing sight. Silence.
Careful.
Enemies right here.
One enemy remaining.
She's probably on bomb. Nice.
Nice.
Watch them run.
One enemy remaining.
Blinding. You think you can kill me?
Last player standing.
That was a fun TP.
Spike here.
I'll 3 mid. No cap.
Shadows traveling.
In.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Nice try on me.
Sure.
Cover going out. The spike
One enemy remaining.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Almost got them both. Dude.
One enemy remaining.
cover going out.
It's gonna be A.
Oh, there's a jet on B. She's so confused. Idiot. Alright, I think I'm gonna hop out. I think I might play one comp game or something. I don't really know what my plan is.